Hi, we're often asked, how can I publish my course for sale and then start marketing it? If you're in the My Coursebox platform as a creator or Creator Plus, you'll see that there's a support menu with an example course. In this example course, it actually walks you through how to publish and the different options available. But also, since I'm the owner of this course, I can show you how to publish a course. You click Publish, select the Publish setting. So it will initially be a draft setting, but you might want to make that restricted mode. That might be for enrolling staff. For example, public, so make that so that anybody can self-register, or you can click Sell this course, in which case you can either have an external payment link, and then you would need to use Zapier Logic or something, or you can set a price and then enable your Stripe or PayPal settings so that people can just enter a credit card or put in their PayPal and off they go. Now that's how you can publish a course, and then there's a share link, so you can just copy that and provide that on your website or share it on social media and people can just immediately start paying you. You can also iframe your course, so you copy iframe and you can put that somewhere on your website. Other options are a little bit more interesting. So one thing you can do is set up a Shopify store, and then we have a free plugin, or a WooCommerce or WordPress e-commerce shop, and again we have a free plugin for that. So let me just show you what the end result might be. So the first thing, if you've just got a share link, I can go incognito and I can just paste that link, and somebody can go to that link and start enrolling into that course by making the payment, and they'll get immediate access. So this is the first way. That's just loading up now, and here it is. And you can see that in the marketplace, you can share your courses not just as a link, but also in our course library if it's published and it's publicly searchable. You can even create filters by your own name and then just send out that link. That's a good tip. Or you can even send out the link to your library within your profile page. So that's how you can share your link, and that works as well on our Creator LMS or business plan. So you'll have your own branding, your own URL, and then your own library that you can share. So that's the simplest way to do it. As I say, you can iframe it and embed it into a page, or if you've got a website like this one here, right, you could just have a link. So this one says enroll into our e-learning, and these are freely available courses. Anybody can just self-register. And what this University of Adelaide client has done is they've put a sequence. So you do courses in order 1, 2, 3, and I'm already logged in here as a super admin, which is why it's driven me through. But if I show you what that looks like incognito, so if I'm a logged out user, it's going to load up that general search page. And here it is. I can register as a member, or I can jump in to the e-learning. So that's the first way to do it. The next way is like I was showing you with my Coursebox. A great example is Academy Exercise Nano Lab. So they've got dozens and dozens of courses here, all for sale at different prices. Some of them are freely accessible. And then if I'm interested in filtering, I can just open up that right column and filter by skills or by course name, and then jump in to a course. Now, if it's restricted access, I would need to request access and await permission to access the course. But if it's published as freely accessible, so self-registration like this one, this one's for sale, then I can start as soon as I make payment. The next thing I'd like to show you is the really top tier e-commerce that we recommend is to use our Shopify plugin, which is a free plugin as long as you've got your Shopify store. And then not only can you use Shopify to promote your course, and we do all of the back end, so as soon as somebody pays for it, they get an email and they can log straight into your course, but you can also start using their plugins. So you might be able to bundle courses together, and this is a really good example of a Shopify store using our free integration with Coursebox. There's other plugins available like selling memberships, so recurring access to one or more modules. And then beyond the scope of what I've shown you today, so links, iframes, Shopify, there's also WooCommerce, so if you've got WordPress, you can use that as well. Or just listing on your own marketplace publicly accessible pages. Beyond all of that, we also have an API. So if you're on our business or enterprise plans, you can use that for free. And also Zapier. So anybody, any paying client can use our Zapier app. So go to Zapier and set up a sequence with a trigger and a series of actions. And if you're ever unsure of anything, you can always ask Odessa. So on our platform, you'll find that down the bottom right is Odessa, our chatbot, fully trained on a regular basis in our user manual and our marketing materials and pricing and everything. So you can ask Odessa anything, or you can go into our user manual. Now this user manual is great because it's searchable. It's also broken down by section and pages. You can search up here, or you can lodge a ticket. So you can register and you can track the progress of any support tickets. So yeah, if you do have any questions, please register on our Fresh Desk support system, submit a ticket, and look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.